Good morning, it's the 19th of July 2010 and this is your daily outlook. Consumer sentiment disappoints and US growth is in doubt. The dollar weakened on Friday as disappointing economic reports and Q3 earnings caused investors to dump the dollar and look for higher yielding assets elsewhere. University of Michigan consumer sentiment disappointed, coming well below expectations at 66.5. We also had a weaker than expected CPI for the month, coming in at minus 0.1%. From the equity side of things, we saw Citigroup disappoint by printing 38 cents per share lower profits. Bank of America fell 7.6% also after releasing disappointing earnings for the quarter. Overall growth prospects for the US have faded and interest rate hike expectations have been pushed to late 2011. Overall price action on the day for the dollar-yen was between 86.26 and 86.84. In Europe, all eyes remain on the upcoming stress test results. The dilemma here is whether or not the results will be realistic or not. Some banks will need to fail, otherwise the markets will not take them seriously and risk aversion may grip the markets again. When comparing the EU stress test to the US, we note that the US tested 19 banks while the EU is testing 91 banks. In the US, the decisiveness and swiftness of the test indicated the control the Fed had over the situation. In the EU, however, with its fragmented leadership, it may find it hard to agree on any one uniform approach. This can only increase fear of unsatisfactory results. Overall, the euro continued to gain on Friday on the back of Chinese comments saying that the euro will be one of China's foreign reserve markets in the future, which caused a massive gain in the euro dollar from 127 all the way up to 130.06. Currencies to watch out: the euro dollar and dollar yen. The euro dollar pivot point is at 128.60 with a preference to enter into long positions at 128.70. The dollar yen pivot point is at 87 with a preference to enter into short positions at 86.90. Today's calendar and market movers: euro current account for June is expected at minus 3 billion from minus 5.1 billion last month. Federal Reserve Governor Elizabeth Duke is to speak today at 12:30 GMT, and NAHB housing market index is expected at 16 from 17 last month. Now onto equity markets. US equities closed negatively on Friday with the SP 500 down by 2.88%, the Dow down minus 2.52%. The European bourses were also negative, with the FTSE down by 1.01%, the DAX down by 1.77%, and the CAC closed down minus 2.28%. At the time of writing, the Nikkei was down 2.86% and the Hang Seng down 0.98%. This has been your Daily Outlook. I'm Emma Joe from the easy-forex Dealing Room. Have a good day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.